So today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my favorite website. It's called Revolve. It's one of my favorite online stores to shop at. Um, on this tab over here, you can click on the new whatever the new arrivals are, and you can scroll through and see they have a lot of different options. This website is more on the pricier side, so if you're looking for something more affordable, I wouldn't really recommend this. And it has all the different categories listed here to the side. Then there's a clothing tab and all the different categories where you can click whatever you're looking for. And then it also has this option over here where they give you some examples, like what you're looking for, like what you want to wear to work, a special event, on vacation, and so on. The next tab is dresses, specifically dresses. You can choose whatever style you're looking for. Same over here with tops, all different kind of tops. Shoes. Then they have different types of shoes, boots, booties, flats, heels, sandals, sneakers, wedges, whatever you're looking for. Over here is beauty. They do sell beauty products on their website, from makeup to hair to skincare, whatever you're looking for. And they do have most of the brands that Sephora sells. You can find it on here. The next tab is accessories. You have all kinds of accessories, bags, jewelry, belts, hats, scarves, anything you're looking for. This over here is the designers. If you know what designer you're looking for, you can search it up over here. It has a list of designers from A through Z, so whatever you need, you can find it over here. It does have a sale section as well. You can find everything that's on sale over here. They have a search bar over here, so if you have a specific item that you're looking for, you can find it over here by searching it on the search bar. Let's say, for example, white dress. It'll give you options of different white dresses, I guess in other colors too. You can also sign in and make an account where you can favorite whatever you like, and then next time you log in, you can see whatever you loved. And that's it for today. Thank you.